Welcome back to my channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Tina, that is my dog Fipsy, and we create epic GohighLevel tutorials. So if you've been thinking about signing up for GohighLevel, you're just browsing around and learning about the platform, you're in the right place. Make sure to sign up for a free trial via my affiliate link because you'll be able to snag amazing bonuses such as support snapshots, including 400 and more white label videos, reputation management snapshots, as well as the entire agency snapshots already done for you that you can install with a few clicks of a button into your agency. Now let's get to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how conversation AI can reply to audio files as well as to voice messages. This feature works for WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, SMS, and MMS. The bot transcribes speech to text and replies intelligently using your knowledge base, meaning the PDFs, the websites, and the FAQs you have trained your bot with. Now let me show you how you can set this up. So first you want to navigate to your AI conversation agent. To access this, click on AI agents on the left, conversations AI at the top, click on agent list, and then either create your bot from scratch or just turn on this voice feature in your existing bot. Click the three dots on the right if you already created one and click on edit. From here, you want to stay in the bot settings and just scroll down and turn on your voice notes right here. It also supports images, so if you want the bot to read images, also turn this on. Right here, you can adjust your settings. How long do you want the bot to wait before it replies? So remember, it reads the voice message or the MP3 file somebody dropped into the WhatsApp chat, for example, and then this would be the time the bot would wait in order to create a reply. Also, the bot is able to read multiple different voice messages that have been sent to you. So maybe 1 minute is a really good setting to wait in case somebody is talking for a few minutes and sharing lots of information with you, so the bot has time enough to go through all of the messages and then craft one written reply in regards to all of the voice messages sent. Once you've got turned this on, go ahead and test it. So here we are in a conversation via WhatsApp with a client. First, we asked via voice message, hey, can we please book a consultation? Then the bot goes ahead and asks for the 3 obstacles they're facing. Then the client or the prospect listed their 3 obstacles, and then the bot is asking, hey, thanks for sharing, but what's your big goal? Now let's reply, what is our big goal? My big goal is to hit 7 figures next year. I've just sent this via WhatsApp. Here we go, incoming WhatsApp message, amazing. And here at the bottom you see the 1 minute is counting down right now, because remember, if you go back to your conversation AI settings, the wait time before the bot responds is 1 minute. And that's what you can see down here. And once it has counted down to the minute, then it will reply again. And here you can train it, hey, that was great or that was not so great. Down here, you can also click on AI bot active. You can see if it is active or inactive. And right here, if you click on the little stars, you can see a summary of what's been going on. The AI responded. You can see the personality of the prompt, the intent, and the entire chat history. Now the audio response will be built under the standard conversation AI costs. You can restrict audio handling to specific channels. So if you go back into the AI agent settings, you can select or deselect different channels. And the delivery on meta channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp need to comply with the policy window, which means there needs to be an open conversation going within 24 hours and then the bot can reply. And the customer service window will always reset again if somebody reaches out to you first. So the minute somebody messages you, the 24-hour window will reset. Now I hope you like this feature, which will help you to take off a lot of manual work off your plate. Be sure to check out all of our other videos and I will see you in the next one.